Ever tried cooking breakfast for a group only to run out of space on your pan, or struggled to get that perfect sear on a burger because your cookware just doesn't hold heat properly? Outdoor cooking and even home cooking can get frustrating fast when your pan can't keep up with what you're trying to do. That's exactly the kind of problem the Lodge Reversible Cast Iron Grill/Griddle is designed to solve. Today, we're looking at the Lodge Double Burner Reversible Cast Iron Grill/Griddle, a heavy-duty cooking surface designed for home cooks, barbecue lovers, campers, and anyone who wants more control and space while cooking. It's built to handle everything from breakfast pancakes to steak nights, and it works on stovetops, grills, ovens, and even campfires. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, this thing feels serious. It's heavy, solid, and immediately gives you the impression that it's built to last for years, not months. The double burner design is one of its biggest strengths because it instantly expands your cooking space. Instead of juggling multiple pans, you get one large surface that lets you cook everything at the same time, which is especially useful when cooking for family or groups. The reversible design is where it really becomes versatile. One side is flat, perfect for pancakes, eggs, grilled cheese, or anything that needs an even cooking surface. Flip it over, and you get a ridged grill side that gives you those classic sear marks on burgers, steaks, or vegetables. It feels like having two different pans in one, but with much better heat consistency. Because it's made from cast iron, the heat retention is where this product really shines. Once it heats up, it stays hot and distributes that heat evenly across the entire surface. That means fewer hot spots, more consistent cooking, and better browning on your food. It does take a bit longer to heat up compared to thinner pans, but once it's ready, it performs at a completely different level. In real-world use, this griddle fits naturally into both kitchen and outdoor cooking routines. On a stovetop, it's great for weekend breakfasts when you're cooking multiple items at once. On a grill or campfire, it becomes a powerful tool for outdoor cooking where space and heat control are usually limited. It's not lightweight, so it's not something you'll carry on a long hike, but for car camping or backyard cooking, it fits perfectly. One thing to be aware of is maintenance. Like all cast iron cookware, it requires a bit of care. You'll need to keep it seasoned and dry after use to prevent rust, but in return, you get a naturally non-stick surface that improves over time. There are no chemical coatings, which is a big plus for people trying to avoid synthetic cookware materials. Cleaning is fairly simple once you get used to it. You don't soak it like a regular pan. Instead, you clean it while it's still warm, wipe it down, and lightly oil it. It becomes part of the cooking routine rather than a chore once you understand how cast iron works. Compared to other griddles in the same price range, many non-stick or aluminum options are lighter and easier to handle, but they don't come close in terms of heat retention or durability. Some stainless steel griddles offer similar durability, but they often lack the natural non-stick seasoning and the same level of even heat distribution you get here. The Lodge stands out because it prioritizes performance and longevity over convenience. Of course, it's not for everyone. If you want something lightweight, quick to clean, and low maintenance, this might feel like too much effort. But if you care about cooking performance, flavor, and long-term durability, it becomes one of those tools you end up relying on more than you expected. Overall, the Lodge Reversible Cast Iron Grill/Griddle is one of those classic kitchen tools that just works. It doesn't rely on fancy features or technology. Instead, it gives you space, heat control, and consistency that most modern pans can't match. For home cooks, barbecue lovers, and campers who want real cooking performance, it's an easy recommendation. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.